It is recommended to have a solar energy production system installed by a professional. However, if you wish to reduce the time it takes to amortize the cost of this system, which is often between 10 and 15 years, you may consider installing it yourself. Therefore, if you want to proceed with the installation yourself, it is recommended to search for detailed and reliable guides, and to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. You can also use a plug-and-play kit, where all the protections and connections are already prepared, as well as the settings for the inverter and battery. You only need to securely attach the solar panels and other components, connect them directly to a protective box, and start the system safely. Let's start the installation of this kit. Even though it's easy to do, for safety measures, equip yourself with a glow, as some tensions are high, especially if you have multiple solar panels in series. First, connect to batteries to the safety box using the cables provided with the kit. Then, connect the batteries from the safety box to the inverter. Simply clip the Anderson connectors, and make sure that the polarities are respected. The second step involves connecting the panels to the junction box, and then from the junction box to the inverter. We have two parallel sets of panels that will be connected to two independent MPPTs. Maximum power point tracking. And finally, the connection of the AC load and AC grid terminals through differential circuit breakers. Once everything has been connected, let's start the system. Let's start by activating the pre-charge system. Pre-charge refers to the process of charging the capacitors of the inverter to prevent sparks. We need approximately 10 seconds to pre-charge the inverter, and then we can close the contact to connect the first battery. At the same time, close the contact of the second 5 kWh battery to have a total of 10 kWh. Now you can safely turn on the inverter. And before opening the fuses that allow the current from the solar panels to reach the inverter, it is necessary to check the polarity and voltage coming from the solar panels. Be careful with high voltages. Once all the measurements and checks have been completed, you can close the fuses to let solar energy power your home. Everything is ready to power your home by activating these differential circuit breakers. A hybrid inverter allows for the management of both power supply from the electric grid and power supply from alternative energy sources, such as solar panels or a battery.